In this exciting experiment, a simple plastic bottle plays a crucial role in demonstrating air pressure and fluid dynamics. First, fill a plastic bottle with water, but ensure it's not completely full. Then, using a straw, poke a small hole just above the water level. When the bottle is inverted, an upward water fountain emerges as air pressure pushes the water through the straw. This visually captivating effect not only entertains but educates about the principles of pressure and aerodynamics. Experiment with different bottle heights and straw placements to see varying fountain effects. End.